Paano if hindi 50% ang survivorship pension ni GSIS? Ano ang gagawin ni dependent spouse? Answer, before natin sagutin ang katanungan na ito, salamat po sa mga tanong ninyo, ma'am and sir, sa channel natin. So maraming nagtatanong sa topic natin ngayon, right? So meron talagang mga survivorship pensioner na hindi 50% ang matatanggap sa basic monthly pension ng kanilang deceased spouse. So may sagot tayo niyan, friends. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. So ito yung nabasa natin sa website ni GSIS. And I believe applicable po ito sa topic natin ngayon. Retroactive application. So for survivorship pensioners whose survivorship pension were suspended as a result of the previous policy, the amounts accruing for the period they were suspended shall be restored by GSIS, subject to the maximum amount of survivorship pension provided under this policy. Yun nga, friends, ang maximum amount talaga ng survivorship pension ni GSIS is 50% sa basic monthly pension ni pensioner ng husband ninyo or ng wife ninyo na namatay. Affected yung mga na-suspended kasi merong previous policy daw yung GSIS before. If I'm not mistaken, year 2009, right? So continue tayo. On the other hand, for survivorship spouse whose applications for survivorship benefits were denied as a result of the previous policy, their applications may be submitted to GSIS, and if found to be qualified, their benefits shall be granted and computed retroactively, subject to the maximum amount of survivorship pension provided under this policy. So meron din tayong mga friends na na-deny or na-disapprove yung survivorship pension before. Kasi nga yung previous policy nga. So ngayon pala friends, pwede natin i-reapply sa GSIS. So ang gawin ninyo, isubmit nyo ulit ang application nyo kasi po good news po ito, ma'am and sir, kasi retroactive po yung matatanggap ninyo from GSIS. Ibig sabihin ng retroactive, kung kailan talaga nag-start ang monthly pension ninyo as survivorship pension, ibalik po yan ni GSIS. For example, year 2009 kayo na deny. Ngayon, kung mag-reapply kayo niyan, year 2009 kayo mag-start sa basic monthly pension ninyo as survivorship pension, i-compute po yan up to present, up to year 2024, medyo malaki na po ang matatanggap ninyo because of retroactive application. Ayan, nakalagay. Right? So, again, the maximum amount of basic survivorship pension is 50% sa basic monthly pension ni GSIS pensioner na namatay. Ayan po, very clear. So, hope na nasagot natin ang question ni ma'am and sir sa channel natin. Keep asking questions. Rest assured, I will answer that kung may time tayo or bigyan talaga natin ng time. So, paisa-isa lang yung sagot natin. At least lahat kayo or lahat ng good questions i-ma-answer natin eventually. So, keep watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.